everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss one of the most futuristic and mind-blowing games you'll ever see, Einstein Universe. This isn't just an ordinary game, it's a Web3 powered space adventure where you collect atoms, protons, electrons, and even time itself to build your own cosmic empire. With stunning visuals, smart gameplay, and real-time strategy, it's a galaxy full of possibilities. If you love games that challenge your brain, reward your creativity, you are in for a ride. So let's jump in and explore this next gen universe together. But before we proceed, I want you all to please subscribe to my channel and press the notifications bell to get updated by my upcoming and latest video. Okay, so this is a project I was talking about, Einstein exploring a new game. Looks to me this is the most futuristic and mind-blowing game you'll ever see. You can collect atoms, protons, electrons, even time itself to build your own cosmic empire. So this is the best play to earn game in which you can play and earn more. So you can see here, first of all, here we have option to their details. So we can see this is the new future of gaming. At the birth of future universe, all matter was forming just like the crypto world where you can explore the funny and furious infinite of possibilities. You can claim through their airdrop or synthesize your own crypto assets here. So you need to connect your wallet first. You can simply click on connect wallet and then you are going to get your gameplay. But first you must be able to know more about the project. Here we have option to their USDT earning, which is mentioned here, which is 30925% for APR. And here we have also the details of the start exploration. So you can click on this. Then here we have the crypto assets of the universe, information on crypto assets, execution in the Einstein universe. We also have the total tokens market cap, which is mentioned here, and I'm 100% sure it will reach 1 million more than. Then here we have Einstein token price for the token, which is 0.003507 USDT in Einstein. Then also the material token as well, elemental token, Einstein NFTs are mentioned here. Then some of their asset introduction. There are four types of assets in the Einstein universe: Einstein token, material token, element token, and Einstein NFT. So we will discuss one by one all the details. First of all, here we have Einstein token. So we have the details of Einstein token on this. So you can join this. Einstein token is a governance token of the Einstein universe, aggregating the all value generated on the platform. The production processes within the Einstein universe consume EIN, attributing value to the token through deflation. So these are the details of Einstein token. Then here we have details of the material token. The Einstein universe features 5 basic production materials: atoms, protons, neutrons, electrons, and time. These materials can be used to synthesize, upgrade, or download the elements. Additionally, time can accelerate the production process of elements. Then we have element token. The Einstein universe will generate 122 elements, converting all elements from the periodic table, such as hydrogen, helium, lithium, etc. These elements can be upgraded, downgraded, and decomposed into atoms, protons, and neutrons, and electrons, with the later elements theoretically being more valuable. A significant amount of EIN was initially allocated to each element trading pair to reward the first creator of such element who can sell immediately to claim these rewards. Then we have Einstein NFT. The Einstein universe will produce 100 types of NFTs which have a certain probability of being produced during the element upgrade process. Each NFT has a luck value that can improve the success of rate of element upgrade, and the NFT will be destroyed immediately after being used for the upgrade. So they are launching 100 type of different NFTs. So this is the best thing, and each NFT has a luck value that can improve the success rate. And here we have 5 method of mining in the Einstein universe. You can check the process of mining. You can see how you can earn USDT on this. Then here we have element liquidity mining. You can get EIN token from elements mining. You can join mining as well. We can see the recent transactions as well on this. Then we have super element staking mining. You can see that you can earn by super element staking as well. Here we have their APR system as well on this. Then material liquidity mining. Okay, then we have EIN staking mining as well, so in which you can get some more details of this, so you can join mining as well. Random NFT reward will be also given to you, like craft element upgrade. You can upgrade your elements to get your NFTs. Then the main thing is referral reward system. You can earn 5% of mining earning from direct referrals, and you can earn 2.5% of mining earning from indirect. So this is the best thing, that you are going to get reward by directly or indirectly referral system. Like if you direct send your referral to your friends, etc., you are going to get 5%, and if you are engaging indirectly with your friends by your referral, you're going to get 2.5%. Mining earnings are generated from the 3 liquidity in mining operations and 2 staking options. So you can see, and here we have option to the Twitter. So here we have the Twitter page. You can check the recent tweets, recent details of the project. Then let's talk about white paper, a decentralized science social experiment. So we also have the white paper to check details of the project. So first of all, we can see what is Einstein gameplay. It is an innovative social experiment that integrates scientific knowledge with Web3. This experiment allows individuals to explore cryptocurrency, blockchain, Web3, decentralized science, cosmology, and physics, fostering a spirit of exploration to discover the convergence of science and blockchain technology. Then we have the preface. From a physics perspective, the universe is composed of matter and energy. The interaction between the matter and energy drive evolution of self-organization. These interactors are described mathematically and governed by conservative laws. Then we have the 4 fundamental forces: the strong nuclear force, electromagnetic force, weak nuclear force, and gravity. These forces act concurrently, exerting distinct influences. We also have details when atom molecules and their compounds accumulate to certain mass, gravity becomes dominant, leading to the formation of minerals like mountains, plants, stars, and galaxies. We also have the freeways, so you can check the preface of this to exact details of the project on time. So you can simply read this. Then protocol token, governance token. Einstein protocol governance token, total supply is mentioned here, 3% for their marketing, etc. So we can see their an initial trading liquidity for EIN token, initial trading liquidity for 122 element tokens, initial trading liquidity for 5 material token, Einstein DO, etc. So we can also have their composition, so you can check their at game launch. 33.33% of the adopt EIN will be unlocked immediately, with the remaining 66.66% being innerly released over 90 days. Mining reward during protocol operation will be mentioned here, and daily mining reward is 1000000 EIN halved annually. Then initial trading liquidity, team and investors. Then we have DAO, which is mentioned here. Then we have material token. The Einstein protocol features 5 material token: atom, proton, neutron, electron, and time. So you can check out the details, the total supply, the daily mining reward, initial trading, etc. for every proton, neutron, electron, for all of them. So you can check out the details. Here we have element tokens. The Einstein protocol features 122 unique token, or all the token I'll mention here: hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, etc. So you can read all the tape here. Then we have the gameplay overview of the protocol mechanism. EIN serves both as a governance token and free token for synthesizing, upgrading, downgrading, and decomposing element. There are 5 types of material token which are essential for element synthesis as well as for the upgrading and downgrading the process. Then spatial mechanism. Newly created element token pair begin with an extremely high initial price premium. For each element, the first user to successfully upgrade it can capitalize on the premium by using selling the token for an extra EIN reward. Okay, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link in my description which you can use to access. Thank you so much for watching.